personal space is at a premium.
Who is Grace talking to? Question.
Look at this, look how far away he is.
That is where he is.
Hello, Grace.
He's right here.
Hello, Grace friend.
Okay. You're in a ball.
No Rocky, no Diane, Grace atmosphere.
I keep going this way?
This room's boring.
Rocky! Science, save Earth, the planet.
Dirty. Why room for messy
Well, I
questions?
wasn't expecting company, was I?
Call it fist bump, by the way. Fist my bump? No, it's fist bump. It's not the same.
Tell who I am from the back, cause it's heavy. Rock steady. I'm the wrong call to try fucking man, cause I'm petty. Rock steady. You could tell who I am from the back, cause it's heavy. Rock steady. I'm the wrong call to try fucking man, cause I'm petty.
The bed. Like Hellraiser thing that you sleep on. Hellraiser thing that you sleep on. Hellraiser thing that you sleep on.
Thumbs up?
No.
Tiny thumbs up.
No.
We got stars to save, okay?
Grace,
Yeah.
you are... Need word
What word do you need?
to risk self to help another.
Dumb.
Grace.
Stay in the box! No! Stay in the box! No! Get out of my skin!
Okay. Wow. First thought, transcending the game. It's like you need a banjo for those.
So cute! So cute!
Understand, I am here 46 years. 46 years, I gasp. He's been stuck in this system for longer than I've been alive.
I am waiting. I have been waiting. I was born waiting. I was born waiting for that something. Just one something. I was born something.
This is fun. Okay. Right. Oh, no. Right. That's not bad.
Me, beautiful egg. Now,
You, me, fat chance.
I have a chance, and it's fat.
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea.
I thought I might record you. Oh, no. No, that's okay. It's just a microphone. Looks like this. Oh my god, he's got a gun!
Oh, this? No. This to screen in front, and now this to that over here. Now Rocky can hear screen.
Please don't point it at me.
Oh, point over here.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now over there.
You're pointing at me again.
It's no better. Good. Take it slow. Take it easy on me. It's just alright on me, please. Take it slow. Take it easy on me. It's just alright on me, please.
For this to succeed, there is someone else we need. I know. So he knows what to do in the trench, ingenuitive and fluent in French, I mean. So you're gonna have to use him eventually. What's he gonna do on the bench, I mean? No one has more resilience or matches my practical, tactical brilliance. You want to fight for your land back? I need my right-hand man back. Yeah, get your right-hand man.
1738. I'm like,
I want you to sleep, Paul.
something really good, something really crazy that like you could never like.
Words of encouragement. Words of great encouragement. 6-7. 6-7 question? No, understand.
Separately.
Okay.
Where are my bedrooms?
Bedroom?
We die. Example. Thumbs up, baby. Room for garbage? Oh.
Fist my bum.
I died. It died. Died?
I say neither, you say.
Me either.
Working on our distinct, individual parts of that mission.
Mission.
Too fast.
I don't want to do the puppet show.
No, do puppet show.
This is us. We're,
Yes.
flying along.
Alright, and it's coming on. We gotta get right back to where we started from. Love is good.
Dirty,
Love
dirty.
is strong. We gotta get right back
Hi,
to
Grace.
where we started from.
Rocky will build workshop here. We'll need much room for Rock and much less space for Grace.
What is happening?
Basically, what we're gonna do is dance. Basically, what we're gonna do is dance. Basically, what we're gonna do is dance. It will come easily when you hear the beat.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for your mental.
Hi, Grace. Oh, it's bad. Grace Rocky dead. Oh, it's bad. Grace Rocky dead. Oh, it's bad. Grace Rocky dead.